the nail art by applying a base coat of your choice. Here I am applying 2 coats of dull dark green nail polish. Let the nail polish dry completely before moving on. Now I am going to make small triangles on the tips of my nails with the help of black nail polish. Starting from the upper center area of the nail, diagonally swipe the brush left and then right, making small triangle on the tip of the nail. Alternatively, you can also use a thin nail art brush to make these triangles. To add some funkiness to the nail art, I am going to use this golden nail art tape. I have already cut it into small strips. Before applying the tape, I am going to apply top coat on my nails so that the golden strip fixes properly over the nails. Now, with the help of tweezers, carefully pick up one strip and place it diagonally over one side of the triangle that you have made. And then pick up another strip and place it diagonally on other side of the triangle. To give final touch to the nails, apply a top coat on all the nails, and there the nail art is done.